let's watch in this video how to simplify decimals when there is decimal in numerator as well as in denominator. Let's see first example. Let's see example 0.5 divided by 0.10. Now here in this example 0.5 has one decimal place whereas 0.10 has after decimal two places. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 100. So 0.5 upon 0.10 multiplied to 100 to both the places, numerator as well as denominator. This gives shifting the decimals as we have seen in previous video. The same method we will apply here. So two places means leaving right to left two places. That gives you 50 upon 10. And so the answer becomes 5. In that way you can write answer of this question. Okay, very simple. One can do it like this. Suppose the question is 0.22 divided by 0.011. So as I said, multiply denominator by 1000 and so to the numerator too. Why by 1000? Because here after decimal there are 3 digits. So 0.22 upon 0.011 into 1000 into 1000. And as I said how to place decimal in previous videos, you can see that. So just place it, no value to 0, so here we will write 0 1 1 and after that 3 zeros. Okay, the decimal after decimal 3 places, so from right to the left 1 2 3, so here will come 11. So one can do with the rough work, it is just 11. Okay, and similarly top 2 2 1 2 3 zeros after decimal 2 digits, so from right to the left come with 2 decimals and so it is 220 to the top. So the answer comes 220 by 11 means 11 twos are 22 and 11 zeros are 0. Okay, so in that way you get answer 20. Simplest way to solve. Okay, let's check one more example. 0.16 divided by 0.4. What to do? So simply 0.16 upon 0.4 into 10 into 10 we will do. Now it is nothing but 160. After decimal there are 2 places, so from 2 places we should come back. Okay, here it makes 4, so this is nothing but 1.6 upon 4. Now you can change it to the without decimal form, or you know it 4 4s are 16, but as here is decimal it will be 0.4. So in that way you can write answer for this question. Let's see few more examples. See children, the question is 2.342 divided by 0.2. So we can make it 2.342 and after decimal only one place. So 0.2 into 10 we will do to the top to the bottom. It will make 0.2 as 2 and top side it is just shift the decimal to the left. So 23.42. Now slowly you can do it directly after practice. Okay, make it 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 ones are 2. 11.71 is the answer. In that way you can solve it. Let's check one more question. Suppose the question is 6.636 divided by 0.33. Suppose the question is like this. So let's change it to the without decimal form of denominator. 6.636 into 0.33 into, so after decimal 2 digits, so multiply by 100 here. This makes 2 decimals to be shifted to the left, 0 6 0 to 6 and 0 to 3. So it will be 663.6 upon 33. Okay, now let us check it for 3 divisible by 3. So it is nothing but 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Divided by 11. If after dividing by 11 you get answer 11 twos are 22, 11 zeros are 0. Okay, let's see one more example, last example. Suppose the question is 0.525 or we will write 50.525 upon 0.05. How can you solve this? So this is just like 50.525 into, after decimal there are 2 digits, denominator we will change to the whole number, so it is just by 100, to the top also it is by 100, and that makes it, here decimal shifted 2 places to the left, 5052.5 upon 2 places to the left, so it became 5. Now it is 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, and 5 fives are 25. The answer is 1010.5. So in that way you can complete the answer. Okay, that's all for this. If you like all these videos, please keep on sharing and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. We'll meet with the next video. Bye bye.